Welcome, radiant souls. It's Nola Bloom here, and today I'm sharing a microcosmic orbit meditation, a gentle yet powerful practice that's rooted in ancient Taoist wisdom. This meditation helps to harmonize your energy, circulating your life force in a continuous loop. From the base of your spine, rising up the back body, reaching toward the heaven, and gently descending down the front of your body, returning to the earth once more. It's a beautiful way to restore balance, release tension, and connect with the quiet intelligence flowing through you. So take your time to get settled. You can take any comfortable seated or lying down position. Just allow your spine to be long and your body relaxed. Close down your eyes and begin to soften your breath. Allow each inhale to draw you inward, and each exhale to melt away the day. Allow the outer world to gently fade from your awareness as you turn your attention inward. Now let's begin by connecting to heavenly energy. Bring awareness to the crown of your head. Imagine a radiant golden light streaming down from the cosmos, entering you through the crown like sunlight through an open window. With each breath, allow the celestial light to flow downward, soft and warm, filling your body with luminous ease. Feel it melt across your forehead, softening the space between your eyebrows. Smoothing your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Let it drift down your neck and shoulders. Releasing any tightness or holding. Feel the golden light pour into your chest. Illuminating your heart center with a soft, glowing presence. Now bring your awareness to your lower abdomen, just below the navel. This is your lower dantian, the energetic center of vitality and life force. Visualize a glowing ball of gold and orange light here, radiant and alive. With each inhale, See it pulsing gently, expanding like the sun rising from within you. Now shift your awareness to the very base of your spine, the Hui Yin point. This is your root, your foundation, the place where earth energy rises to meet you. Imagine a vibrant red light here, glowing steadily, grounded and full of strength. With every breath, let it become brighter, anchoring you to the earth below. This is the starting point of the microcosmic orbit. As you inhale, imagine the energy rising from the base of your spine, flowing slowly up along the back body. Let it travel like a river of light along your spine, cleansing and nourishing as it rises all the way to the crown of your head. As you exhale, feel the energy gently descending down the front of your body, drifting down through the forehead, the throat, the heart, into your lower abdomen. Let it spiral down the Hui Yin point, completing the circuit. Continue this flow at your own pace. Inhale, rising from earth to heaven. Exhale, descending from heaven to earth. Breath by breath. Let the orbit awaken and circulate. There is no need to force. Just feel. Let the rhythm of your breath guide you. I'll now offer you 3 quiet minutes to stay with this energetic loop, breathing with presence, allowing the orbit to unfold in its own perfect way. Your silent practice begins now. gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the warmth of your body, the subtle current of energy still flowing. Take a big breath in through the nose and exhale softly through the mouth. Allow the breath to return to its natural rhythm. And let yourself rest here for a few more moments in this balanced, luminous state. When you're ready, gently opening your eyes. Carry the sense of harmony with you as you move throughout your day. Thank you so much for joining me. If this practice supported you, I'd be so grateful if you took a moment to leave a 5-star review on my show. May your inner light continue to flow with ease, and may each breath guide you home to yourself. Namaste.